Welcome to Amit Erez Photography. In this guide, we'll explore editing. Editing isn't fixing mistakes. It's the direct continuation of the creative process. This is where a photograph becomes the story you meant to tell. The raw file is your digital negative. Unlike JPEG, it retains every bit of data the sensor captured, giving you full control over the final result. Full control over shadows, highlights, and colors. Larger file size. The camera decides for you. Small file. Best when you don't plan to edit. To build a consistent style, get familiar with the controls that shape the mood. Will the image feel bright and airy, high-key, or dark and dramatic, low-key? Will you keep the natural light or warm it up to evoke nostalgia and softness? Emphasizing specific hues. For example, boosting the blue of the sea while pulling back the surrounding greens. Sometimes the best image lives inside the one you shot. A well-placed crop transforms composition, accentuating detail in nature, rocks, leaves, versus smoothing skin in portraits. Same tool, two opposite intentions. Artificial intelligence rewrote the rules. It doesn't replace the photographer. It supercharges their abilities. Noise removal and detail sharpening. Rescues shots taken at high ISO. Sky replacement, AI lighting, and skin retouching. In seconds. Remove distracting objects and extend edges. Directly inside Photoshop. Order matters. Here's how to preserve quality and consistency. Transfer files from card to computer, plus initial backup. Delete blurry or duplicate shots. Keep only the best. Resize and quality match to destination, web, social media, print. Done editing? Step away from the screen for 10 minutes. When you return, you'll see the image with fresh eyes, and you'll almost always want to dial back the intensity of your effects. Take one photo you've shot. Edit it 3 completely different ways. Notice, how does each edit change the feeling the image conveys? AI-powered editing, sky replacement, portrait enhancer, object removal. Same AI editing power, straight from your iPhone. Syncs with desktop. What you see on screen equals what gets printed, essential for serious editing. Turn your photos into reels and stories. Ready-made templates, no video editing experience needed. Fast raw file transfer to computer, no need for the camera cable. Posters, canvas and frames, turn your photos into wall art. Photography courses. Beginner to advanced video lessons, self-paced, covering all photography topics. Thanks for watching. For more photography guides, visit amitphotos.com. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly photography content.